Brad Williams, XL Prime. Count the number of differences between two ranges of cells. Here, range 1, range 2. We can go up here to name ranges. Quarter, this is range name quarter 1 as noted right here. Quarter 2. And what do we want to do? We want to know if these equal each other. And if they don't, do something. Here we have arrays. What are we doing? We're calculating two arrays. So we have a range here and a range here. We're doing something. Well, that's an array. We highlight this by using this old school curly brackets. The actual formula, we don't do that anymore. But this is just to highlight or show you that this is an array. Pre-2018 Excel, you remember? Control Shift Enter. Here, looking at the formula, it says if quarter 1 is equal to quarter 2, put a 0, otherwise 1. And what are we looking for? Count the number of differences between two ranges. That means if this information is false, in other words, if range 2 doesn't equal range 1 or quarter 1 doesn't equal quarter 2, add them up. Let's take a look. Here's the logical test. We're looking at this information, and let's hit F9. It says if this information is false, add it up. Otherwise, put 0. If we look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It adds up to 15. That means none of the quarters match. That's the answer. Find the row number of the maximum value in a range. We're looking for max, and how do we do this? This should say find the row number of the maximum value in quarter 1. We're going to first look left to right. Let's start here, and we have an if statement that asks for the maximum value in a range. What this is doing is it's looking for something, but where's it looking? It's looking here in this row, and it's asking what's true and what's false. Value of true, and here it's going to go false, 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 all the way across until it finds a true. There's only one number, and it happens to be the third from the end. We go 23, 21, 21. And that's going to be row number. Here, 8, 9, 10. We look at 21. It asks, find the row number of the maximum value. And that's what it did. It found the truth in row 21. So let's look at row 21, 8379. How did it do it? Because we're looking at this formula. It says, if quarter, then find the row. Otherwise, leave it blank. Find the row number of the minimum value in a range. Here we have max if quarter equals minimum. Why do we have the max? Because we're looking for the row number. We're looking for the lowest number within this range. Find the address of the maximum value in a range. We're going to use the address function here. How does it work? Well, it's going to be similar. Let's go F9. It says min if quarter 1, similar to the previous example. Row, because it's an if statement, find the logical test. If true, do something. If not, do something else. Value if false, value if true. The min address says find the row number, then find the column number. So the address is saying, where's the row number? The row number is going to say it's 21. The column number is going to say it's 4. So we look at 21. The address is going to say row number 21, column number 4. And that is D21. Hit escape, and the answer is D21. Find the address of the minimum value. We can do the exact same thing, finding min. Here, all we're doing is changing max here to min. My suggestion is familiarize yourself with the address function, the max function, and the min function. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.